I wonder what's going on. Look, it's a penguin. Oh hey, what's your name? Scooby-Doo. Ooh, Scooby-Doo, eh? I think I've heard that name before. Oh, hello there. Right, it's a rat roll. My name's not, I'm not a werewolf, I'm Nick. My name's Nick, I'm a fox. A rat? Oh, I thought you were a werewolf. Don't be silly, there are no werewolves in this house, I guarantee you. Yahoo! Yahoo! Right, it's a rat robot. Oh, hey there. Oh, my name's Spider-Man. What's your name? Scooby! Oh, your name's Scooby. Oh, that's a cool name. How are ya? Ruby! Oh, hello! Thanks. It's an alien invader! Hey, Scooby. He's not an alien invader. He's Stuart, he's a minion. Oh, well hey Robert, how are ya? Best Spider-Bob. Oh hello there! Yikes, I'm eating a block of cheese! Hey, I'm no block of cheese. I'm SpongeBob. What's your name? Scooby-Doo! Scooby-Doo, eh? That's a good name. There it is. Oh hey, who are you? Legs, his face, from my eyes, shoo! What's your home? I'll hide here, at least no one can catch me. Hey, you Scooby Dog. A bark, from my eyes, oh, what's that dog? I don't get it. Thanks, I'm gonna have nightmares for the rest of my life. Hey, I knocked the monster and the alien out. Scooby-Doo! Hey guys, this is ZPB here, and here's today's ZPB question. What's the most scariest thing you've ever witnessed in your life? The best comment will win a copy of Scooby-Doo Mystery Mayhem. Make sure to hit our like button and don't forget to subscribe. This is ZPB signing off.